Hi, Sue Shields here from My Florida Dreams with another beautiful home in Colony Cove. You're going to love this one. Everything about it is completely done, move-in ready. There is nothing to do with this house. Nice front door, front entry. This house features brand new windows and doors. This is a 1989 Palm Harbor. It is 26 feet by 52 feet long. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It is offered unfurnished. There's a dishwasher, washer dryer, garbage disposal. As you can see, the appliances are all new stainless steel, granite countertops, totally remodeled kitchen. There's a nice island in there. As we step out of the kitchen, you'll find the spare bedroom here on the front of the house. This house has been completely drywalled and insulated. In addition to the updated kitchen, both bathrooms have been completely remodeled. It features a 12 by 12 foot storage shed. It has 2 lanais, closed. One is actually air conditioned. On the back of the house, it's 11 by 12 feet. The screened lanai on the other side of the house is 12 by 22 feet. This is your guest bathroom, and now we will step into the dining area. The floors are tile in the kitchen and baths and vinyl throughout the house with a wood look. You have your open concept from dining to living room. As we step down through the living room, the master bedroom is separated on the right. This is your master bedroom. Ensuite, new vanities, new shower, nice walk-in closet. As we leave the master bedroom, to the right is the back closed lanai. Features a Mitsubishi type air conditioning unit. And this gorgeous view of the lake. Fireplace, which is gas. Out back, a beautiful deck, comes complete with the hot tub. Can you just picture yourself sitting out here in the morning having your coffee, or in the evening with a cocktail? As we go back in, we'll head to the next lanai on the side. One of the nice things about this house is that it has a side-by-side driveway. So there's no shuffling of your cars to get them switched around. To your left is a little office area, craft area. And as we step out onto the side lanai, this is a great place for entertaining. So that concludes this house. I hope you enjoyed our tour, and you'll give me a call at 941-981-3424. Thanks, and you have a great day.